the WICCA students will work with their magical names when I say call on, and the other students, other people who are attending today can just call on their names. Okay, so chalo, we will start. Just a minute. For now, I have muted you all. Once the meditation is over, then we can, you guys can discuss. Chalo, we shall start. Okay, so you all can first close your eyes and you all can focus on your breathing first. Let's focus on the breathing first. So when you breathe in, you will breathe in the white light, and when you breathe out, you will breathe out the grey smoke out from your nostrils, intending that all the toxins from the body is getting out. Okay, so we will start. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 As you breathe in, you are breathing in the white light. As you breathe out, you're breathing out the unwanted toxic energies of the body. So I breathe in the white light, absorbing all the positive energies, the white light of the divine, to cleanse me, to purify me. I breathe out all the unwanted negative energies and toxins that is not needed for my body. I breathe in the white light. I breathe out the toxins. I breathe in the white light. I breathe out the toxins. I breathe in the white light. I breathe out the toxins. Now, slowly, focus on your third eye. Take your focus, your concentration fully on your third eye. You will see a small white light emitting from the third eye. There's a small white light in the center of your third eye. There's a beautiful small white light in the third eye. The light is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. The light is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. You can see a nice bright light in front of you. A nice bigger white light which was emitted from your third eye in front of you. It's a glowing white light. For some, it is a light of violet color. For some, it is a golden light. For some, it is a light green light. And for some, it is a pure white light. See yourselves sitting in that white light. It's a nice big white light. Imagine yourselves sitting in that white light. Imagine yourselves sitting in that white light. The white light is glowing, and so are you. Your whole body is surrounded with white light. Your whole body is in bliss, is in calm. Now call on your name and say, I. Call on the goddess of the moon. On this beautiful full moon day, to bless me, to cleanse me, to energize me. O lunar goddess, O goddess of the moon, as the white light engulfs me, so is the moon's energy engulfing me, cleansing me, puring me, making me calmer and composed. Now you will feel a lot of white light. The light which was there, that light has become more brighter because the moon's energies, the lunar goddess has entered. The white light has become much brighter. The lunar energies has entered. Now call on Master Merlin, Lady Hecate. Call on, say, I call on Master Merlin, Goddess Hecate, to be present as I do the meditation on this beautiful, beautiful full moon. I let go of people who have hurt me today. Think of that one person. Today we will forgive one person because Goddess Hecate, Master Merlin and the lunar goddess are there to help you come out of it. Any one person it can be. It can be the person who has hurt you the most also, whom you are not ready to let go. Think about them and say, I let go the hurt you have given me. I let go the harm you did to me. I let go the pain you have created in my life. I let go everything that you have done in my life. I forgive you. It's hard for me to forget what all you have done, but I forgive you. I surrender your hurt to the universe. I surrender your pain to the universe. You have created a lot of pain in my life, but I still forgive you. I release you to the universe for you to be happy, for you to be blessed. It is difficult for me, but I still forgive you and I send you, I release you to the universe for you to be blessed. I no longer bear the sorrow. I no longer bear the trauma you have created in my life. As I let go and forgive you, I see the Master Merlin smiling at me, keeping his hand on my shoulder and encouraging me to let go of you. As I let go of you and your memories, I see the Goddess Hecate burning those memories with her torch, removing those memories from my mind, cleansing me, setting me free. On this full moon, under the guidance of my mentor, of my high priestess, I let go of you. I forgive you. I surrender you to the universe. I bless you with all the happiness in this world. My master is happy with me. My goddess is happy with me. The moon is smiling that I kept up my promise to let go of you. I surrender you to the universe. I release you to the universe. You all will feel the Master Merlin's hand on your shoulder. You all will feel a bright torchlight of Hecate. For some, The Hecate may also keep the hand on the shoulder as a double support. Now that they are there, the moon goddess is there. Tell them to bless you. Tell them, O Master Merlin, the masters of master, the wizards of wizard, O Goddess Hecate, the Lady of the Dark, the Magician, the Great Kali, O beautiful Hecate, bless me, O Master Merlin, bless me. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. O Master Merlin, O Goddess Hecate, fill my life and that of my family with health, wealth and happiness. O Master Merlin, O Goddess Hecate, fill my life and that of my family with health, wealth and happiness. O Master Merlin, O Goddess Hecate, fill my life with health, wealth and happiness. They are blessing you with happiness, health and wealth and that of your surroundings. Some of you may be smiling now because you can sense their energies. Some of you must be worrying now that will they ever bless me, but they are there to bless you. You need to seek out and ask them. Say from inside, I am blessed with health, wealth and abundance with the blessings of Master Merlin and Goddess Hecate. The Goddess of the Dark has come to bless me today. The Wizard of the Forest and the Mountains has come to bless me today. His wand is creating magic in my life. Her torch is creating magic in my life. I cannot ask for a bigger blessing than both the great magical people who have come today along with the lunar goddess to bless me. All of you now can say that one desire that you want to be manifested before the upcoming full moon. Tell them that I, with your names, want this wish of mine to be fulfilled. You can say this to them. They will hear it. Tell them, O dear Goddess Hecate, O Master Merlin, bless me and fulfill my desire of. Tell your desire. Again repeat, O Master Merlin, O Goddess Hecate, bless me and fulfill my desire of. Cry your heart out to them. Tell them they have to do it. They will help you. They will make your wish to happen. They are bringing their wand and the torch on your crown to fill you from your crown to the root with a glowing golden light, because they are blessing you that they will help you in manifest what you had desired. You can imagine a white golden light from the wand of the Master Merlin and the torch of the goddess Hecate entering from your crown, traveling deep inside your chakras, energizing each and every chakra of yours from the crown to the third eye, to the throat, to the heart, to the solar plexus, to the sacral, to the root, traveling till your feet, to your hands. Every inch of your body is being blessed with white light, with golden light. Tremendous energies are flowing inside you. The Master is smiling and blessing you. The goddess is smiling and shining her torchlight on you, blessing you. As you feel the energy is going deeper and deeper inside you, tell him, "Oh Master Merlin, I thank you for taking your time out and coming today for blessing me. Oh Goddess Hecate, I thank you for taking your time out and coming to bless me. Oh Lunar Goddess, the Moon Goddess, I thank you for coming and taking out the time to bless me. I thank my mentor. I thank the angels, the archangels, the divine, the white light, the supreme God. I thank my ancestors. I thank my parents. I thank each and every one in my life who have always been there, in my good, in my bad. I thank my ancestors for showering their blessings on me always. O Master Merlin, O Goddess Hecate, O Lunar Goddess, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you and gratitude is a very small word. I thank you for blessing me so much. I thank you for coming and helping me in fulfilling my desires on this full moon. Once you feel the energies are becoming slower, you can thank them and then you can open your eyes slowly, slowly.